It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day, and it's day 1 in San Carlos in San Diego County, California. Okay, this cute little property, check this out. Love, love, love. There, just so you know, see these pillars here, they are going to be installing fencing all the way around this property and then doing a little gate right there. So this will be enclosed, will not be open to the street. And this couple are avid cactus, well, baby cactus collectors. They're just getting started on their passion. I'm so excited to make their dreams come true. I shopped at Brandon Bullard's at Desert Theater. I shopped at Waterwise. I was able to get some plants from a private collector. Thank you, Roxy, so much. And right now what the guys are doing are pulling some weeds that popped up after the last rain. Our client actually did all the demo in here for us and raised all of the drains, installed a French drain all the way around the perimeter. And we are bringing in, we'll have 5 cubic yards of soil for mounding in here. But I am going to go ahead and throw down some preen. This is a pre-emergent. And we often use this in these type of situations. This is probably, I'm going to say maybe 250 square feet, this garden space, so it's relatively small. Also, these people are minimalists, so I'm going to have to practice those 3 R's. That third R of the 3 R's, rock, repetition, restraint. Restraint is going to have to be practiced, and you know me, that's not going to be easy. I probably bought way too many plants for this job, but you know, we'll see how it goes, because in addition to installing these beautiful cactus specimens and considering their growth rates, they also want some of my signature tapestry work done. So yeah, right now, what you see is what I see. I have no idea how this garden is going to look, or, you know, how it's going to develop. That's part of the fun. We are all surprised together. So let's just take a second. I'll have Hannah flip the camera around and you can see what we have right now in the way of soil and boulders. That is 3 yards of amended topsoil. Remember, we get our soil from the local rock yard. And these are Baja Cresta 2-footers. Looks like Greg got me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 boulders. I'm going to need probably 3 times this many before I'm done. So he's off right now grabbing me another load of boulders with our trailer. So let the games begin. All right, it's actually day 2. Sorry about that. Yesterday we got rained out. I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to watch.
Hold on. Hannah.
Oh.
Get the
Got it. Knee pad. Wait, okay.
Push.
Watch out, Miguel, those spikes. Are we starting over, or
No, I mean, that's fine.
just keep going? Oh, okay.
Miguel.
So much thanks to our follower Roxy, who bequeathed us this mammoth phallus.
Yeah, spin it.
I think this is the biggest phallus I've ever put in an installation, and our clients love cacti. So this is, hi Ann. Yes, you did. We got donuts, guys. Woo. Anywho, but yeah, since this was not brought to us in a planting can, we dug this out ourselves. It's a little trickier to move into place because it is extremely top
It
heavy.
needs to spin this way too.
All right, so we are wrapping up day 2 of this 3-day project, and be still my heart, right? Greg said earlier today, I think we have too many boulders, and it's like he doesn't, like we've never met, because you can never have too many boulders, and we didn't, and I pressed every single one of them into service, along with all 4 yards of the soil on this probably 250 square foot little garden space. And I was telling Hannah we were working out some tapestry areas, and even though this is a small garden, these two majestic mature specimens just bring so much age and so much energy to this space. It just gives me goosebumps. I mean, yes, I've got 5-gallon, 15-gallon plants, but it's these monsters that really make this go, isn't it? So we've got it all here. We have beautiful Baja Cresta boulders. We've got driftwood. We've got art. We've got pots. We've got tapestry. We've got specimens. We just have it all. And the client, I consulted with them, and because they're kind of minimalistic in their aesthetic, they didn't want fussy or bright colored pots. And the bench that they bought, was just this beautiful, very simple white modern type looking bench. The home has been stuccoed all in white. But they're so excited. They actually want some ribboning. So we're going to go with chamois beige tomorrow, and then we're going to do some black accenting on the mounds. These tapestries are we've just gotten started, Hannah and I, today. I need rubble. Daddy needs to bring me some rubble tomorrow because, we start working through the tapestries and then we get kind of stuck and we need a rock. So that combo, the Hectia and the Salisto cactus, is such a beautiful combination, isn't it? And there are living room windows right here. It's so perfect. So perfect. Remember, there will be fencing all the way around the installation, but we still did a 360 degree. Now, there's still a few little plants that we need to pop in. Obviously, there's tapestry work that needs to be completed. I'm going to do more here. Hannah's going to do more there. I'm going to bring it around here. This sweet little pot is sentimental. This belongs to the client. And I'm going to fill this not with plants, but with fiberglass and some rock that they have already that they really like. So no plants in here since there's no drainage, and I don't want to risk drilling into this and having it break. So just stage that simply in the garden, stage the the pot over there, and oh my gosh, I'm just feeling so good about this. This garden will be watered by hand, and they may add solar lighting at some point, but for now, no lights. So tomorrow, once we're done, with a little bit of planting, we'll be able to begin the top dressing, and then you'll get to see the finished product. So thanks so much. And remember, news. Yes, a lot of you have been asking about the next Tapestry 101. It was such a huge hit the other week. We sold out of all of the spots within 23 hours of offering it. So we're going to do it again at the end of April. Stay tuned for the exact date. And we are starting a waiting list on the website at designforserenity.com. So be sure and pop in your name. So all you have to do right now is just your interest. Just put your name down, and we'll get with you as soon as we have all of the information at our disposal. Then you can decide then if you want to drop the hammer or not. And I hope you do, because it's going to be really fun and you'll learn a lot. Okay, this has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity in San Diego, San Carlos area with day 2 of a 3-day and your succulent tip of the day. Bye, guys.